In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view version history on Grammarly. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, you need to head over to the Grammarly website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in grammarly.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll notice a button labeled Get Grammarly. Click on this to proceed. Now, if you already have a Grammarly account, you'll see an option that says I have an account. Clicking on it will take you to the login page, but just in case you see an option for login instead, you can click on that and it will direct you to the same place. If you're new to Grammarly, you may be prompted to create an account first, so make sure you have your email and password ready for a smooth sign up process. Next, for those who are logging in, simply type in your email address associated with your Grammarly account. This step is crucial as it ensures you're accessing the right account with your documents saved. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. This will prompt you to complete the login process. Be sure to double check your email for any typos to avoid login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your Grammarly dashboard. From here, locate the Documents section. This is where all your saved text and drafts are stored. Click on Documents and you'll see a list of all your files within Grammarly. Now here comes the step where you'll actually view the version history. In the document section, find the document you're interested in and click to open it. Once inside your document, you'll see an option titled Version History. Click on this and voila, you'll have access to all the previous versions of your document. Viewing version history is extremely helpful, especially if you want to track the changes you've made over time, or if you wish to revert to an earlier version. It's a great way to see the evolution of your writing and recover any unintended changes. And there you have it, accessing the version history on Grammarly is that simple. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Remember, being able to track changes not only improves your editing process, but also enhances your writing skills by allowing you to see your progress. Thanks for watching, and happy